got honky tonks, you got sports bars, you got karaoke bars. And I hear about this beach bar where they've got dynamite drinks and a chef-driven menu. You know I'm gonna check it out. This is the Toasted Coconut.
Wings up.
The dopest food and the most delicious cocktails.
That's our lychee self-go.
They brought the beach to the city.
It's like you come here and you're on vacation.
Martin, Sarah, and I worked in a restaurant for many years. He and I worked behind the bar together.
And Sarah, what's your job?
Captain of the ship show.
We need to put that on the USS Flavor Town. You're the chef.
You're gonna cook with me today.
Don't say it with such enthusiasm.
Oh, sorry. Pork dumplings going to 75.
The pork dumplings, amazing, delicious, nice little spicy component. You have to get them every time you come.
Call them pot stickers, call them dumplings, you
We
call
call them pork dumplings on the menu, but they're a little bit of a pot sticker in style because we sear them off. We're gonna start with our pork butt, grind it. We take fat back, boil it off, and mix it with some stock, puree that up.
For the flavor, the extra moisture, genius.
This is our sofrito. It's a mix of red and green apples, onions, and ginger. Tamari, sesame oil, white pepper, mushroom seasoning.
Nice umami out of that.
Yeah. So we're gonna make our tare, which is a vinegar-based sauce.
From the GIF family?
I'm not sure.
The Guittari family?
No, I get it now.
Is this thing on? Hello?
White peppercorns, star anise, licorice root, cinnamon,
Wing of bat?
bitter orange peel.
Oh, eye of newt.
Yes. Toast it, and then we add water. Tamari, brown sugar. Then we'll bring that to a boil, strain it.
So now we have this, fragrant soy, and this is just one of the dipping sauces that goes
Yes,
with
sir.
the dumpling.
Chinese black vinegar, some salt, mushroom seasoning again.
Next up,
Fragrant red chili oil.
Okay.
Star anise, cloves, cassia. Cassia is a Vietnamese cinnamon. Black cardamom, Szechuan peppercorn,
oh, my jam.
dried orange peel, sand ginger, bay leaf, salt.
Oh, you can smell it going right now.
Smell it, right?
Oh,
Canola oil.
got it.
Red onions, scallions, and some ginger. And once that infuses, gochugaru,
Isn't this Korean chili?
red chili flakes. Let this steep for about an hour.
Super fragrant.
Yes.
It's the official motor oil of Flavortown Raceway. What else are we gonna make?
Chili crisp to finish everything with.
You make your own chili crisp.
We do, yes.
I am a chili crisp fiend. Teach me how to make it.
Oil, shallots, and you're looking for that GBG, the golden brown goodness, sliced garlic. Fry that till it's nice and crispy. Sliced ginger. Then we do the same thing with all of our chilies. Chile de árbol, guajillo.
Okay, pasillas, cascabel. All right.
Do our hard spices, black cardamom, star anise, some Szechuan peppercorns, and ground cumin. And so those get toasted, and then we're gonna grind up salt, sugar, mushroom seasoning, and black pepper.
Okay.
Grind up to a fine powder because it doesn't dissolve in the oil.
Then we eventually put all of this together.
Yeah, we're gonna add our shallots, garlic, and ginger, chilies. Add our spice blend,
Mix this all together.
pull the hard spices out of our oil, and stream it in.
We're done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, walk me through the wrapper dough.
Yeah, we just mix AP flour, a little bit of salt, and hot water.
Sheet this out.
Put the pork in there and pinch it, boil them for 3 minutes,
That keeps it from drying out.
and then pan sear, getting some color on them.
And then we're gonna throw a little bit of water into it, and it's gonna be the fry and the steam at the same time. Mini explosion about ready to happen. Don't worry about that. Bring the kids down. If you understand how much I love dumplings, this is like purgatory waiting for this to happen.
Chili oil, that tare, chili crisp,
Oh, yeah.
fried garlic, a little Fresno for some heat, sliced scallions.
My gang name is Dumpling Killer. Well, it's umami bommy. Dynamite. It's rich. Chili crisp is a perfect. You need the Fresno because there's so much boom, boom, boom going on. The oil is a nice little spice note. Just in the name of science. I normally don't like to have 3 dumplings in a minute, but for you guys, I'm doing this. Like my dad used to say, it's not if I want more tacos, it's do I need more tacos. I understand now, Dad.
What's up, y'all? I have some pork dumplings.
The pork is absolutely delicious.
You get the bit of the crisp from the searing, a total flavor explosion.